Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the shells and loops edge stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So this project is good for any project with a multiples of 3 count. So to get started, I just have my little swash like I always do to represent either a blanket edge or a scarf edge or whatever you want to put an edging on. So for row 1, we're going to start off by joining our yarn at the beginning of our work, chaining 3 and then double crocheting to that same space as the yarn was joined, and then we will double crochet in every single stitch until the end of the row, and then we will turn our work. Next, we're going to start on row 2 and we're going to start off by chaining 3. We're going to skip the first stitch and then we are going to work 3 double crochets into the following stitch. Then we'll start our repeat, which is going to be skipping 2 stitches and then working 3 double crochets into the following stitch. Now you'll repeat this until the very end of the row, until you get to the last 2 stitches, then you'll skip 1 and then double crochet into the last stitch. So here we are on row 3. We're going to start off by chaining 1 and then we're going to skip the first 2 stitches and then we're going to work a single crochet into the following stitch. Then we will start our repeat, which is going to be chaining 5. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then we're going to work a single crochet. And then you'll repeat this all the way to the end of the row, and then you will join with a slip stitch into the very last stitch, and that's just to give it a nice edge. So again, the repeat is going to be chaining 5, skipping 2 stitches, and then single crocheting in the following stitch. So here we are just coming up at the end, and then we're just going to join with a slip stitch at the end just to give it a nice edging. And there you have it. That's how you do the shells and loops edge stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a happy crochet day.